Hello, 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 and good morning, everyone. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here with an incredible deal for you guys. Guys, this deal is going to be like a $10.75 moneymaker. It is an unbelievable deal, and the best part about it is you don't need any coupons to do this deal. So only thing you need to do is make sure that you download the Fetch app. If you haven't done so, no worries. I will put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is hit on that link, use my code, and we will both save. Guys, let me explain to you how Fetch actually works. So what happens with Fetch, you snap or scan, we call it snap in the Fetch world, but you scan every single receipt, and when you scan those receipts, you get points. Now, if you're familiar with Ibotta, it's similar to Ibotta too, because they also have special brands and products that you buy, and when you buy those, you get points. You use those points for gift cards. Guys, I use those points for gift cards for Walmart, Dollar General, CVS, Rite Aid, and I use those to coupon, so I just recycle my money over and over and over and over and over again. And just like Ibotta, you get points for referring people. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get off my soapbox about Fetch. I just love Fetch for couponing because you can combine your Fetch offers with your Ibotta offers, with your Shopkick offers, with your Snap offers, with your Checkout 51 offers, and best of all, with your paper manufacturer coupons. So guys, I'm in Walmart. I'm going to explain this deal, but let me tell you, the deal that I'm going to show you is not just for Walmart. It's for any store, anywhere they sell these products. I've just chosen to do my deal at Walmart because Walmart is right around the corner for me. It takes all of 3 minutes for me to get here. So I wanted to get here fast, do this deal for you so that you can go out and do it and share it with your friends. So get your pencils, your paper, your phones, whatever you need to get started and take notes, and let's get ready to save. So guys, the first deal that we're going to pick up is on some SUAVE hand soap. Now they are $1.97, and with this deal you can get any scent. You can get the Ocean Breeze, you can get the Rose Water and Aloe, the Peachy Clean, the Coconut Water, the Milk and Honey, any one that you like. You're going to pick up 5. Now, you don't have to pick up 5. It's totally up to you. I'm going to pick up 5 because I'm going to max out this deal. I'm getting the best bang for my buck. So, because I like Peach and the Milk and Honey body wash so much, I think I'm going to get 5 of those. Oh, guys, they have pink grapefruit too. But yeah, I'm going to get 5 of the Milk and Honey. So, when you times 5 by $1.97, that's going to come to $9.85. Now, you might be saying, man, that's a lot. I don't want to put out that much money. It's okay because they're going to be free and a moneymaker. And let me show you why. When you bring up your Fetch app, there are 3 different rebates. You're going to get $1.25, $12.50 equals $1.25 in Fetch money. So you're going to get $1.25 times 5. So that's going to be $6.25. Then you're going to get $1 for 5 on this rebate, so that's $5. And then you're going to get a $7.75 for 5 of those, so that's going to be $3.75. Guys, we're only paying $9.85. So for this SUAVE body wash, you're actually getting back $15. Oh my God, $3.75, $5, and $6.25, $6.25 plus $3.75, that's $10, plus 5 is $15, and you're only paying $9.85. I'd say that is a steal, guys. So let me go ahead and grab these 5. I'm going to put them in the cart. But like I said, you don't have to get 5. You can just get 1, you can get 2, but it only makes sense to get 5 because they're free. You're not paying for those. And you're going to max out the deal. So I'm going to show you how you know, if you're not familiar with the Fetch app, how you know how many you can get. All right. So I clicked on that one. And you see right there, it says offer valid for 5 redemptions. So that means I can get 5 on that one. Then when I click on this one, the same thing. And when I click on that one, it's the same thing. So that's why I'm getting 5 for each one. So guys, we're going to move on down the aisle around the store, and we're going to go to our next offer because we have another money maker from SUAVE that we're going to take advantage of. So let's get here. I hope I'm in the right aisle. Oh yeah, I'm here. I just have to find the right ones. Where are they at? Oh, okay, here they go. Okay, so now guys, what we're going to do is we're going to get some SUAVE body wash that are $1.88. So those are the 15 fluid ounces. And again, you can get whatever scent you want. Milk and honey, coffee and coconut. That's a new one. I never had that one before. Cocoa butter and shea, that's my favorite. Probably going to get 5 of those. Or you can get the sweet pea and violet, the cherry blossom. Again, it doesn't matter what store you go to, whatever store you want to go to, go. Just make sure that you're not going to a higher price store where things are like $3, because then you're not maxing out the deal and you're not getting the best bang for your buck. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab 5 of these milk and honeys, and make sure you get the ones that are $1.88, okay? Now, when you do $1.88, that is $9.40 when you times $1.88 times 5. And again, the reason I'm going to get 5 is because I'm going to max out the deal. So it's similar to the deal that we just did with the hand wash. So you get $1 back when you buy 5, so that's $5. You get 75 cents for each one, and you can buy 5. Again, that is $3.75. And then you get $1.25 back when you buy 5, and again, that's $6.25. So that's $9.40. And I'm going to click these and show you. See, you can do 5 just like the other ones. So you're going to pay $9.40. So I'm going to show you the math on that one too. So you're going to pay $9.40, right, for 5 of them. And then we're going to minus the $6.25, minus the $3.75, and minus the $5. That is a $5.60 money maker. Guys, we are rolling in the dough at Walmart. But again, you don't have to go to Walmart. You can go to CVS. You can go to Rite Aid. You can go to Dollar General. You can go to Family Dollar. I suggest Family Dollar, Dollar General, Rite Aid. Whatever is the closest to you. Whatever is the cheapest. So you can get as much of a money maker back as possible. So I'm just putting these here to show you guys what all I got, and then I'm going to head up to the register. I am going to show you my receipt, submit it to Fetch, and show you what my out-of-pocket was. So here is what we're getting. We're getting 5 body washes, 5 hand soaps. Again, you can mix and match. You do not have to get the same kind. So I'm heading up to the register, and I'll be back with you guys soon. Okay, guys, so before we get started and review our receipt and submit our receipt to Fetch, I just want to show you guys an example of what I'm talking about when I say that I recycle my couponing money. I use the same money over and over again. So this is a $25 gift card that I got from Shopkick from redeeming rebates and things. So today at Walmart for the body wash and the hand soap, my total came to $19.25. I used this $25 Walmart gift card to pay for these body washes and hand soaps. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to now go to Fetch and redeem my rebates for the body washes and the hand soaps. But when I get that money back, then I will buy another I'll buy another Walmart gift card, and then I'll use that the next time I go to Walmart and buy something. So I just keep recycling the gift cards over and over and over and over again, so that I'm not taking money out of my own pocket. And it's the same way if you redeem and get money back with Ibotta. I put that money into my PayPal account, and then I use PayPal to pay for things, and then just put the money right back into my PayPal account every time I get rebates. So it's totally up to you how you want to do it, but I just wanted to show you an example of how I recycle my money. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and let's redeem our receipt on Fetch. Now with Fetch, you don't have to, let me show you guys for the people who are new. So you don't have to click on any rebates and put them into your account like you do with Ibotta. All you do is scan your receipt, and your receipt captures any rebates. So it's not like you can miss any. So we're going to redeem these 6 SUAVE rebates. So what you're going to do, you're going to go down to the bottom where it says, where it has the camera, and you just click that, and then you see it says snap or e-receipt. We have a regular receipt, so we're going to hit snap. Okay, and then we're going to put our receipt in the area so that it can be snapped. Okay, so I had to take it off of the stand so that you guys can see. So here's my receipt. And then you see it says store date in total. So when you snap your receipt, those green areas will light up when they have all of that information. So I'm going to hit this. And if it doesn't have all the information, you can take another picture. So there you see all of them are lit up. So I'm going to hit submit. So it says your receipt is loading. I have points. So all of my points are adding up. And as you can see, I got $15.09 back. You see, I got $6.25 for the SUAVE body wash, $5 for the SUAVE body wash, $3.75 for the SUAVE body wash. And then there's some extra points. Okay. In 1 second, let me get the other ones up for you. Okay, so as you can see, the points, all of the points didn't come up for the hand wash, but that's okay because that happens sometimes. So all you have to do is hit, and I never had a problem. This always, whenever I correct a receipt, it always comes back. So I hit correct receipt, and then you hit the item that you want to correct. Hit scan barcode, and then you scan it, and you see it says SUAVE Essentials Milk and Honey Hand Soap. So you hit correct, and then there you see the price. That's correct. And then you just hit update. Okay, and then what happens is I have to do that 4 more times, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so you see I have all 5 of them scanned. So now I'm just going to hit submit receipt details. And it says changes are submitted, and they'll get back to me like within a couple minutes. Okay, guys, so my receipt has been finalized with Fetch. As you can see, I got $30.19. $30.19 back from Fetch. So here you can see $6.25 for the hand wash, $6.25 for the body wash, $5 for the hand wash, $5 for the body wash, $3.75 for the hand wash, $3.75 for the body wash. And then like you still get little cents for everything besides the bonus things. So it all added up to $30.19. I paid $19.25 at Walmart. So basically this is a $10.94 money maker.
So, like I said, you don't have to do this at Walmart. You could do this at any store, but just make sure that your prices are in range so that you can max out the deal and make as much back as you can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you've done the deal. If you're going to do it, let me know what scent you like in the body wash as well as the hand soap. I smelled that milk and honey hand soap and I am in love with that. So, as always, until the next time, keep on saving.